Hi! Today we're going to do a fun science experiment called Wishy-Washy soap. It's pretty simple and you only need a few ingredients that you should be able to find in your kitchen. So the three main ingredients are dish soap, cider vinegar or a white vinegar, as well as baking soda. You'll also need a couple measuring spoons. Specifically, you'll need a tablespoon. You will also need a teaspoon. So, tablespoon, teaspoon. Last, you'll need a sandwich bag, preferably a resealable sandwich bag. So, with a little sealable zipper like this. You can also, to make the experiment a little bit easier, you can just find a little cup if you want. That way, when you're trying to make your fun project, it's a little easier if you actually put the sandwich bag in the cup. So it's a little easier to hold it, so you don't have to hold it while you add your fun ingredients. So just like this. Okay. So the first step is to measure out 2 tablespoons of dish soap. So, and this smells really nice. So 1 tablespoon and put it right into the Ziploc bag. And then 2 tablespoons. Second tablespoon, pour right into the bag. It takes a little bit of time though to get out of the spoon itself. Okay. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon. So get your measuring spoon, the smaller one, and measure out 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And put that right into the Ziploc bag. Cool. Okay, so you see I added it right into the Ziploc bag, and again, it's just in a cup, so it's a little easier. So take your Ziploc bag and seal it up. This is why you'll want a resealable sandwich bag, so you can just seal it up really fast and then just use your fingers and mix everything all together. So try to get the soap all mixed up with the baking soda like that. It kind of takes a little bit, but it's pretty fun because it turns a really cool color. Whoops. Mix it up. Mix it as thoroughly as you can. Try to get all that soap, baking soda, and dish soap all mixed together. Okay. Whoa. So that's kind of what it looks like. Yours might be a little bit different color. It just depends on the dish soap that you use. My soap is blue. So it turns into this kind of creamy light blue color. So I'm going to actually put it back into that cup again, so it's a little easier to do the next step. So I don't have to hold it at the same time, just like that. And this is the fun part. So take your vinegar and get your tablespoon measuring spoon out again. You can use the same tablespoon measuring spoon that you used for the dish soap. It's totally fine. And pour out exactly 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar. Okay. This is intense. And vinegar smells weird. So sorry. It's a very potent, strong scent. Let me put that back over there. Okay. And pour 1 tablespoon of the vinegar into your Ziploc bag mixture. Whoa. So you'll actually probably see an immediate bubble up. Ooh, that's so cool. So you'll see it immediately bubbles up a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but you'll probably see it in your bag. Now zip it up again, seal it, and mix it all up with your fingers. So what's happening is basically a fun chemical reaction. So it creates carbon dioxide. So you actually can see it happening right now. It's a little hard to see, but it starts to bubble up and your whole bag will start to inflate. So what you'll want to do is kind of open the seal again and let some of that carbon dioxide out so it doesn't overinflate. And then you can seal it back up again and kind of keep mixing it all over again. And boom, there you go. It's your special Wishy Washy soap. So whenever you need to wash your hands, you can just cut a little tiny corner out and use this as soap, and it's super foamy and fun and amazing. So it's as simple as that. Once you learn how to do this, you can make it all the time and make it be your everyday household soap. So look, oh my goodness. Look at that. Ooh. That is amazing.